Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and it is that time of the month again. And we've got the first of the July kits, and it would be Junior Johnson Racing. Okay, yeah, we did, kind of sort of did that before, but this is a 2-in-1 kit. You can build that car, or you can build the flat nose, and that's the main reason why we're doing this. For those of you who say, yeah, you did that before. Yeah, but you know what? There's a whole lot of builders who didn't know about us when we had those and we were making them. Plus, there's a whole lot of builders that never got the chance to build the flat nose. So, if I can keep from dropping it, let's take a look and see what's inside this box and what kind of opportunities lie ahead. So here we go. And I have to say, we were not able to actually find photos of these cars together on the track. So what we did is our masterful decal designer Clay Kemp actually built these cars. So, you know, Clay does a beautiful job, and there you go. So let's look at the rest of the box. So right off the top, round end squishies are round and squishy, and they some sort of new packaging that that Chad and the folks are doing. Okay, there is that Monte Carlo body, that classic Monte Carlo body that that Monogram did when we were all younger, thinner, and had more hair. But this is the new part. This is something that I designed a few years ago, so it fits right on. He says here, it fits right on that Monte Carlo. Trust me, it fits. But that fits on there. So if you want to do the flat nose, that's what this is for. Yeah, I made it fit on that body correctly. Here's the old internals. And if you are building this and if you want to change your ride height, email jim@salvino.us. I have a 3D printed set of parts that you can put on, and it'll give you this very similar front end, but it will drop your axles down. Or excuse me, it'll raise your axles up 1/16 of an inch, which will drop your nose down, and it gives it a much racier looking ride height. So, and it comes with all sorts of cool stuff to go in there. Okay, and here are our metal-ish looking parts. So you got those. And now here's the other part that Clay is so much involved with. Clay does he has taken the old Revell designs, instructions, uses those. We've got a sheet with kind of supplementals. Here is the supplemental sheet for the flat nose or for the arrow nose, depending on which one you want to go with. All the other parts are interchangeable. There's your decal placement. Okay, so here is your decal sheet. Nice and shiny. Look at the reflection on those 11s and 12s. Isn't that nice? So you got decals for grills, for the headlight fill-ins. So there's all of your stuff. And let's see. I know they got to be on here, but even with my glasses, I don't see at a quick glance. There is Neal Bonnett, and let's see. I don't see the others on there. There it is, Darrell Waltrip. So those decals are on there. So whichever one you decide to do, there you go. Pardon for the shaky fingers. So there we go. What's inside of the Darrell Waltrip Neal Bonnett 1112 kit? You can build one, you can build the other. You can buy two kits and do both of them if you didn't get the kit before. So there's your options. Great stuff to add to your collections. We also have the Kyle Larson Coca-Cola 600 kit. That should be coming in the next day or so for me, and I'll do an unboxing for that. We also have, let me open this so I can see this and get it right. We also have the Kyle Larson 2025 Indy car that he drove for his last. He said it's his last time running Indy. We've got that, and we've got the Alex Palou winning Indy car. So those will be coming out very soon. Add those to your collections. Take a look right now if you see this right away. Take a look on our website. We right now, for a short time, we have a link to a site that is doing shirts, t-shirts, and baseball caps for Salvinos J R Models. If you'd like to add those to your wardrobe, I need a whole lot more of them. And let's see, what else do we have coming up? We're going to have an accessory tab. We're going to have some 3D printed parts for some accessories. We're going to start off with a driver for your Indy cars if you want to put a driver in your Indy car. We're going to also have 3D printed drivers that fit into your existing seat for your next generation cup cars. So we're going to be adding a bunch of different accessories to our kits. I mean, there's other people doing it. Why shouldn't we, right? Because they're going to be made to fit. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for following and building Salvinos J R Models. Rick Salvino and myself, we couldn't do it without you. Thanks again. And catch us on Saturday morning here on YouTube. Check out that link. It's going to be up here someplace. Bye.